Hi everyone, so I did some shopping in Cape Town, which if you don't know, in the DV area, Cape Town is basically an in Virginia, so I went shopping. There's actually a lot, I got a lot. I was rewarding myself because I've worked really hard and I'm working really hard. So, oh my gosh, let me show you guys a lot. So there's 3 stores, Korean makeup stores. So there's Tonymoly, the Face Shop, and what was the other one? It's Etude House. I went to Tonymoly and Etude House because I didn't like the Face Shop. I went to the Face Shop previously with my sister, and there was a lot of discrimination towards us. So my sister and I decided we would never go there again. So I went to only Tonymoly and Etude House. So as you can see, there's Tonymoly's logo. Okay, so maybe we should start with, should I start with Tonymoly or Etude House? Let's see. So going into the stores is really helpful because like sometimes when I look for Korean makeup on eBay, some things don't come up unless you know the exact brand name. So I get to go in there and see some of the products they have, and so I can easily look them up on eBay. And it's just really interesting because I get to see some of the newer stuff that's out. Okay, so I'll do Etude House first. So let's do Etude House. Okay, so I got 3 nail polishes. Yes, I did. Okay, so I got 3 nail polishes. I got a matte top coat, the Modi matte top coat, and let's see, this one is yes, I got a nail essential oil to help you you know, keep your nails nice and healthy, and I also got the Modi hardener. So is it hardener? So this is the hardener, nail hardener, because it just helps. I like to use the hardness to help prevent my nails from breaking. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I got a freebie, you guys. So the sales person was really nice to me at when I went to Etude House, so I was really happy. She gave me this Laneige Perfect Renew trial kit. It's got 5 items in it for free to try it. So it comes with the Laneige Perfect Renew Skin Refiner, the Perfect Renew Emulsion, the Regenerator, the Eye Cream, and the Renew Cream. Shall I open it? Do you want me to open it? I'm going to open it. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so just so you guys can see the trial sizes. So this is the eye cream. It's pretty. It's a pretty blue. And this one is the emulsion. So the sample sizes, the trial sizes are pretty good sizes actually. This one here is the skin refiner, which I think is like a toner. This here is the regenerator. And this one here is the cream. So they're pretty good sizes. So you know, I didn't even spend a lot for her to give me this, so I was really excited. I got, let's see. Okay, so I also got this here, which is, yeah, I went to Aritaum, I'm sorry. I went to Aritaum, it was Aritaum and Tonymoly. This is Aritaum, not Etude House, I'm sorry. So yes, this is I got the Aritaum Natural Beige Full Cover Liquid Concealer. Now, I really hesitated on like Korean concealers because, you know, they're made for Koreans who are like really light skin. You know, people like me couldn't work with it. So yeah, so I decided to get their darkest shade that they had available, which was the Natural Beige, which I'm actually going to see how dark it is. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was swatching earlier. If you watched the previous video I did, I still have the swatches. They did not wash off. So we're going to see how this concealer works on these swatches. Okay, so if you're brown skin guys, you might want to actually check this out so you can see. Okay, so this is the concealer. So, yes, and as you can see my swatches, I actually washed with soap and water twice. And the liners did not come off, so they're really good quality liners. Okay, so let's see how this comes out. Let's see. Wow, coverage is actually quite good. Oh my gosh, that's actually really good considering how dark they are. Wow, it actually did a pretty good job. So you can tell where I used it, like up along here, compared to like at the bottom. so it did cover quite nicely. Now I got the full cover because I've heard that it has really good coverage, and I guess it really does have really good coverage. I could probably use this under my eyes. It's like an under eye concealer, so it doesn't have to, you know, it wouldn't be as strange if my eyes was a little lighter because, you know, dark circles. So yes, but I've heard great reviews about the full cover. The it really is good. It really does cover a lot. So it is pretty good. Now the other thing I got in here, there's only one other item. I didn't buy a lot, so yeah. So the other product I got, I'm gonna try and swatch it. My arm has so many swatches. Okay, so I got the Shine Fix Eyes, the Aritaum Shine Fix Eyes in number 31 Play Mode. That's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to swatch. I think I'm also going to do a makeup look with this and include it in this video for you. So after I stop talking, I'll probably include it. But here, let's see. Okay, so this is right. So it's got like a stopper. I don't know what you call it, a little plastic stopper to prevent it from like spilling out. I'm going to remove it. Actually, I don't want to contaminate, so I'm going to put this down. Okay, okay, better. Okay, so can you see it? It's like a pinky kind of colour. And it's quite nice actually. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to swatch. Okay, let's see. Can I swatch it? I'm like, where can I swatch it? Because like, okay, let's just do on top of the concealer. Okay, let's see how it comes out. I did it applied it on top of the concealer. It is, let's see, I don't know, it's not showing up too well. Let me try a different place. I'm also going to include a photo anyway, so let's see if I place it here. The concealer might stop it from showing, so okay, so I put it here. You can see it a little bit better that way. I think because the concealer is so strong, it stopped it from showing. But the pigmentation looks okay. It does shine, but it's not that strong of a colour. It might look different on the eyes though, so it looks really pretty on my hand, so we'll have to see how it looks on my eyes. Okay, so let's move on to the Tonymoly bag. Yes, Tonymoly. Let's see what I got from there. Okay, so Tonymoly. Oh, Tonymoly bag. Okay, so let's see what I got. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm going to have another video also because I recently. So this was from when I went shopping at like in K-Town about 2-3 weeks ago, maybe a little longer. I've been holding on to it to do a video for it though, and then I went again recently about a week and a half ago or something like that. So I'm going to have another one of these videos from that shopping trip too, so yes. But for this trip I got the Kill It side, the Skin 79's own unique and stylish makeup collection, the Kick It side Fantastic Eyes. This is a eyeliner. I normally get gel liner, so I'm pretty sure it's probably a gel liner. Yes, it is. It's a gel liner. It's in the shade Mesmeric Purple. I mentioned to you guys that I'm starting to use more colours instead of just black. So this is the packaging. Isn't it pretty? It's like, I think it's holographic. I think so. It's really pretty. Okay, so this is it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, where am I going to swatch this? Okay, we're going to use my other arm. Because there's like swatches everywhere. Okay, let's see. Alright, it looks like this was a bomb because it just broke off. Completely, like I took the top off and it broke off. That's not a good sign, so wow. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think there's something there though. I don't think the quality of this one is quite as good as the other ones I recently purchased. Okay, let's see. And it doesn't look like there's a lot of product either. I mean, even if you don't... Okay, well, this is somewhat... It's a pretty purple though. Okay, so this is the purple. It's a really pretty purple. The quality is not that great, you guys, honestly, because it broke off as soon as I took the top off, and there wasn't even lots of product. So like I got to see the entire thing, and there's just not a lot in there. But it's a really pretty color. I could probably only get a few uses out of it. It's not that, quality's not that good. So let's see what else I got on here. Okay, so what else I got here? Okay, so this is the seller gave to me for free. The salesperson. These are the Pro Clean Soft Cleansing Tissues by Tonymoly. So these are the moisturizing and cleansing ones. So they make it removal wipes. I believe there's 30 in here. Does it say? It doesn't actually give me a number. I don't see a number. Okay, no, there's 8. 8, yes. So in Korean it says it's 8. I can read enough Korean to know that. Yeah, so these are the ingredient list is actually quite impressive. These wipes actually include olive oil, jojoba oil, lavender, castor, avocado oil, and those are like, yeah. It also has like hibiscus and aloe and rosa center. So I think it's rose, isn't it? Rosa. Yeah, it has some pretty good ingredients, like a lot of flower extracts. So I'm quite impressed, and I do want to try these. I'm excited to be able to try these. I go through lots of makeup removing like towelettes, so they will definitely get a lot of use. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, yes. These I think I purchased also. Yes, I also purchased a pack. Of the Tonymoly Pro Clean Soft Cleansing Tissue. So I purchased some, and she also gave me some more free ones because I told her I use, you know, when I went into the store she saw my eyeliner, so she knew that I wear a lot of liner, so she gave me a bunch of like free towelettes because she saw that I use a lot of them. So yeah, you really need them if you wear lots of liner. So let's see what else is here. Okay, so I got another liner. Okay, so which arm am I using? Okay, so again, the same brand, the Skin 79's liner, the Kick It Side Fantastic Eyes gel liner in the shade Secret Khaki. The English, there's misspellings. Yes, it's also holographic. See? I'm not impressed with these liners, but we'll try this one. The formula might be a bit different, so I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Let's see. Okay, I have another. I can add it on this wrist. Okay, this is Secret Khaki. Okay, so I got a green. Okay, let me just gently take the top off. Okay. This one's okay. Like, I took the top off and it was fine. But there's not a lot of product in here, guys, so just FYI. So I wouldn't spend too much money on these liners because it's not a lot. I've never bought a khaki color. So the khaki is definitely a better formula, you guys. Definitely better formula. Maybe because it's more popular, because I think khaki is a very popular color in Korea. So this is the color. I've never used a green before, like a green gel liner. It's kind of nice. I kind of like the color. So they say earth tones are really good for brown skin, so we'll have to see how this looks, you guys. It looks really nice, so I quite like it. It's quite dark, so yeah, I quite like it. This one, I like the formula a lot better than the khaki. So what else I got here? Okay, of course, since I'm obsessed with lipsticks, you know, I had to get a lipstick. But actually, the seller gave it to me for free. Also, that salesperson, I really liked her a lot, you guys. So she gave me the this. Well, actually, you know what? I think I'll give this away to you guys. She gave it to me for free, so I think I'll give it to you. I don't want to swatch it then, so I don't want to contaminate it. But for the giveaway, I guess I wasn't really expecting to give away for this video, but I think I will. She gave me a free NYX Matte Rouge lipstick. So this is in this shade MLS 10 Perfect Red, so it's that kind of red color. So this one I'll do for the giveaway for you guys, so I'm not going to touch it. I don't want to touch it at all, but she gave it to me for free, so I'll give it away to you guys, give you guys something for watching this video. So if you're interested in having this, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Let me know that you're interested in the giveaway items. So this is it. Okay, now what else? Okay, so there's only one more item in here, guys. Okay, so this is actually the most expensive item that I purchased. This is the Tonymoly Shimmer Triple Dome Shadows. And the other good thing about going in the store is when you go in, they let you swatch. So you can see like all their liners and stuff, and you can swatch it. And you can also swatch the shadows. And I was so surprised by how pigmented they was. So I had to get one. I chose this one here. This is in what colour? This is in the colour number 8. Khaki. I'm not quite sure what the English translation would be, but it's edgy khaki. I think it's like a khaki. Edgy khaki, there we go. I think that's the English translation, is edgy khaki. There's like no English on here. I have to rely on my Korean. Okay, yes, edgy khaki. Am I right? Is my yes, I am right. Oh my gosh, my translation was good. Okay, so definitely khaki, as you can see this green here. And so there's like a little, this would be like the above the eyebrow color, and then there's a darker brown. So I was going for these like earth colors, you know. Let's see, can I swatch it? Okay, let's swatch it on this arm. So I do each color. Solid brown. Let's see. Feels quite soft. We'll do this one here. The brown is quite pigmented, and so is the white. And let's see here. Let's do the khaki. The green. I've never used like a khaki green color before. This is really interesting. Okay, so I just like swatched away. Okay, so this is how it came out. Okay, so I'm like, I don't have to make a mess. Okay, so this is the brown shade. It's actually quite pigmented. I'm a little surprised. And then the white, and then this is the khaki green. Now this is I don't know if it's showing up as really khaki on camera, but it's very green in color. And I have to say, I think it's quite pigmented, you guys. Like it's I'm going to do a look for each of these also and include it at the end of this, I guess when I finish talking, so that you can see how it looks, like each one of them. But I think they're pretty pigmented. I'm quite surprised. I've had some Korean eyeshadows that are just not pigmented enough, and I was really disappointed. But I've had some that are also quite pigmented. I guess it just depends on the brand. So yeah, we're going to test it out though, see how it looks on my eyes. Okay, so that is the end of this shopping haul. Okay, so I'm going to have another one there, so it's not completely over completely from when I went recently. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. I don't shop actually in stores that often, but you know, if you guys do like these kind of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will definitely make more of them when I do go shopping. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Ciao. Till next time.